this session we are going to discuss about the file management commands. File management commands means which are the commands using to managing the file. Managing file means creating the file, deleting the file, moving the file, renaming the file. All these are the part of the file management. Similar as a folder management, creating folder, moving the folder, deleting the files. All these things will be covered in the session. So first is a two term. One is a dot, another is a dot dot, another is a tiled. There is a three things. Whenever we are running the command ls-a, so we are seeing there is a dot. One directory is a dot, another is a directory is a dot dot. So dot directory represent your current directory, and dot dot directory represent your current directory, and dot dot directory represent your parent directory. Parent directory means one above directory, your current directory and above directory. For the example, one directory is a /home/student. So student is a current directory. By using the pwd command, you can see your current directory, but it is your one WAC directory, or it is the parent directory. Okay, similar is a temp. Is there any parent directory? Yes, / is the parent directory. Is there any directory of the parent directory of the /? No. All the directories are the child directory, and / directory is the present directory. Another is tiled. Tiled is the symbol like this. This is the symbol of the tiled. So what does it means? Tiled means home directory. So when you are looks like this, somewhere is written, so you can consider this is represent your current home directory. So how you can check your current directory? By using the pwd command. We have used already this command. Another is change directory. If you want to change directory, you can use the cd command. Cd and then provide the path. Path may be the two type of the path, absolute path or relative path. Both path can be used. So for the example, cd go inside the etc directory, and cd inside word log directory. cd tiled you will reach on a home directory by default. So cd command is used. Another command is used, pwd. Pwd command is used to display the absolute path to the present working directory. Identify the location in the file system where you are. Another command is used, tree. Tree command actually displaying like this tree. These are the part of the tree. There is a subdirectory inside the projects. There is a running directory again and again. So it's look like the tree. So it is displaying the location of the file system. Displaying the location of the file system. Tree command and the pwd command. Here is a terminal, and here pwd command is used present working directory. So on this directory, what you are looking here, you can see this one. This one is a tiled. Tiled means this is the home directory. Okay, similar when I will run the command here, ls-a, then you can see there is some directory which are there. One is a dot, another is a double dot. So if I want to move, here we can use the cd command to go inside a directory like cd dot dot. So I will reach in a parent directory, one WAC directory. If I want to go inside the Vijay, so I can go here, and again when I will run the ls-a command, so you can see here again the dot and the directory. If I will cd dot and the cd dot So cd dot means you will remain in a current directory. You will not change directory. For the example, here I am going inside the var and log. Here I am going to run the cd dot. So I am not going anywhere. I am exist in a same directory. Okay, if I will run the cd dot dot, so I will reach on a home directory. Again, so now this is pwd and present working directory / var. So cd dot dot, and right now I am here, and one more directory is a cd and tiled. Whenever you will use the tiled, it will display here, this one tiled. So what is the meaning of the tiled? You are in a home directory of your home user. Like I am switching sudo su, and here is pwd, present working directory. But this is not home directory of the root user. Who am I? I am a root user. So when I will run this cd and tiled, so what will happen? Now you can say this is the home directory for the root user. Okay, exit, and right now pwd, I am in a home directory of the Vijay user. Similar, if you will switch to any other user, so it will send the home directory, means when you will use the tiled, it will send you in your home directory. Here one more command you can use, the tree command. Tree command display like this. Like desktop, inside desktop there is a document folder, inside the guest folder have the multiple files. These are the folders, these are the files, and there is a folders, another is a project folders, and this is the means it will displaying the tree exist inside your current directory. So if you want to move in any directory, like if you want to go into NT3X, so you will use documents, guest and NT3X. Means you will use the cd, documents, guest and NT3X. So you will reach on that directory, and pwd display the current active directory or present active directory. When I will run here the tree, so it will display the exists file here, this one. If you want to go back of the one directory, so I can use the cd dot dot, it is the parent directory, pwd, again cd dot dot. Next time I will reach on the documents. Now I am inside the documents. Again I will use the cd dot dot. Now I am in a Vijay directory. So this is the use of the tiled, dot and double dot. I hope you have understand.